Hello, my name is Clay, and I created an app called FilmBuffs, and my topic of emphasis was CoreML. So, what is FilmBuffs? FilmBuffs is a Swift mobile application that utilizes CoreML and CreateML to detect the faces of celebrities and return information about them. Additionally, it utilizes API calls from a movie/actor/actress database for the displayed information. For this application, I use Swift version 16.1 and CreateML version 6.1. What else does the app do? Besides the facial recognition, it allows users to manually search for an actor, actress, movie, or television show. It'll display a relevant image for the search term, and it'll also display a red asterisk next to those who do not contain all the information due to the constraints of the database. So let's jump into the actual app. So this section is essentially what it is now. Is it pretty much gives a quick description on what the app does. And this is also a section where you can put in information about new updates or new features that the app has. So moving forward, we'll first go over the search feature. So this feature, essentially, once you click the search tab in the bottom, it'll bring you to a page where you can type in to search for an actor, actress, or movie or TV show. And it has autofill functionality, so every 0.5 seconds it'll look at what's in the search bar and bring up relevant results, as autofill features do. So as you can see, I typed in Ryan R, and I got a lot of different things I could possibly be searching for. And once I click on one, like Ryan Reynolds per se, it'll display an image, a biography, and a date and location of where they were born. So here's an example of a TV show. Take note, on the search one, you can see one of the options has a red asterisk next to it. That all that means is that that specific entry does not contain all of the information that I'm trying to pull from the database. So for example, that one may not have an image associated with it, or it may not have a first air date or something like that. But again, for the TV show, you can see it displays a photo, like a poster image, and it'll give a quick synopsis of the show rather than a biography, and it'll display the first air date of that show. So I also decided to put in a video tutorial so I thought it better showed how the CoreML facial recognition works in action. So this example I did with Eddie Murphy, and I can do a live commentary over this. So as you can see, I open up the app, and I'm going to click on the camera tab and click the open camera button. Here it'll bring up the camera. I can take a photo of the target, click the use photo button, and then it'll make a guess. And once I clicked yes, it brought up this page. So that was a little fast, so I can go back through a little slower. When you take the photo here, there'll be a use photo button in the bottom right corner, or you can retake if you don't think you captured a very good image. So once you hit the use photo button, it'll, down in the bottom, this is actually the cropped version of just the face. So this is the same image, yet it's cropped to just have the face because that's the data I used to train the model. And it'll give a guess on who the person is. And if you select no, it'll just essentially bring you back to the same page. You can try to take another picture, but if you do select yes, it'll bring up the same actor page as we had before that has the photo of them, the biography, when they were born, where they were born, etc. So moving on here, some things that I would implement into this app in the future is a way to create an account, saving movies and actors you enjoy. You could keep a watched list of movies, so you could keep track what movies you've watched in the past, how much you like them, and then Another CoreML functionality that I thought would be cool is showing recommendations based on who/what you have enjoyed in the past. So those were a couple things moving forward that I could definitely think about implementing. And so the sources for the database, I used the moviedatabase.org. It was the largest one I could find that has information about everything I needed, such as actors, actresses, TV shows, movies. And for the facial detection, I used this data set that I found on Hugging Face, which has 1,000 different, actors and actresses, which covers a pretty wide variety, and it was easily accessible for my machine. So thank you guys. I really hope you can check out the repository and let me know what you think. Thank you.